Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Sharp speaker with Android device. So in this video I'm using the phone, and first of all we have to power on our speaker by using this power button on the back. As you can see, in my case it's already turned on. Let me just turn it off. So click and hold the button.
Powering down.
Next, release, and then click and hold it to turn it on.
Bluetooth.
Now release. This indicator will start blinking. It means that the speaker is in the pairing mode. So we can simply go to the Bluetooth on our phone, on our device, click to pair new device. And now just wait until it shows on the list. Select the Sharp GX-BT60, click pair.
Connected.
And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.